Subject is computer architecture and organization. This is unit number first, register transfer and micro operation. Lecture number first. Myself Mani Singhal, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Information Technology, Arya College of Engineering and Information Technology. The contents: arithmetic microoperation, logic microoperation, shift microoperation, arithmetic logic shift unit, register transfer language, register transfer, bus and memory transfers. What is microoperation? Simple digital systems are frequently characterized in terms of the register they contains and the operations that they perform. The operation on the data in register are called microoperation. It means it is elementary operation. The function built into registers are example of microoperations. There are shift, load, clear, increment, decrement, etc. The computer system microoperation are of four types: arithmetic microoperations, logic microoperations, shift microoperations, register transfer microoperations. Arithmetic microoperation. The basic arithmetic microoperations are addition, subtraction, increment, decrement. The additional arithmetic microoperations are add with carry, subtract with borrow, transfer, oblique load, etc. The summary of typical arithmetic microoperations. This is the table. R1 plus R2 tends to R3. It means content of R1 plus R2 and transfer to R3. R1 minus R2 tends to R3. It means contents of R1 minus R2 transfer to R3. R2 complements tends to R2. It means complement of the content of R2. R2 complement plus 1 tends to R2. It means 2's complement the content of R2. R1 plus R2 2's complement tends to R3. Subtraction R1 plus 1 increment R1 minus 1 tends to R1. It means decrement. This is the arithmetic circuit. There are 4 into 1 multiplexer and full adder. There are two selection input S0, S1. This is the table. There are different micro operation: add with carry, subtract with borrow, subtract, transfer A, increment A, decrement A, transfer B. There are two selection input S1, S0, C in. There are output. Logical microoperations specify binary operations on the string of bits in registers. Logic microoperations are bit-wise operations, that is, they work on the individual bits of data. There are in principle 16 different logic functions that can be defined over two binary input variables. However, most systems only implement 4 of these: AND, OR, XOR, complement, oblique not. Other can be created from combination of these. Logical microoperation. The list of logic microoperation: 16 different logic operation with two binary variables. And binary variables tends to 2 to power n function. Truth table of for 16 function of two variables and the corresponding 16 logic microoperations. There are in this table there are Boolean function, microoperation, and the name of operation. F0 is equal to 0, it means clear. F1 is equal to xy, this is the AND operation. F3 tends to is equal to x, it means transfer A. F5 is equal to y, transfer B. F6 is equal to x XOR y, it means exclusive OR operation. F7 is equal to x plus y, it means OR operation. F8 is equal to x plus y, x plus y is complement, it means NOR operation. F9 is equal to x or XOR plus y, XOR y complement, it means exclusive NOR. Y is complement, complement B, F12 is equal to X complement A, and last F15 is equal to 1. It means set to all ones. The hardware implementation of logic micro operation. This is a 4x1 multiplexer. There are two selection input, S0, S1. S0, S1 output and micro operation. This is the function table. There are different micro operation: AND, OR, XOR, complement. Shift micro operation. There are three types of shift: logical shift, circular shift, arithmetic shift. What differentiates them is the information that goes into the serial input. This is the right shift operation. The input is shifted in right direction, and a left shift operation. The input is shifted in left direction. Logical shift. In a logical shift, the serial input to the shift is A0. It means a right logical shift operation. The bit is shifted right direction and first we put the 0. In a left logical shift operation, we put 0 and bit is shifted in left direction. In a register transfer language, the following notation is used. SHL means for a logical shift left, SHR means for a logical shift right. For example, SHR R2 tends to R2, SHL R3 tends to R3. This is circular shift. In a circular shift, the serial input is the bit that is shifted out of the other end of the register. A right circular shift operation, the bit is circulate in right direction, and a left circular shift operation, the bit is circulate in left direction. In a RTL, the following notation is used: SIL for a circular shift left, SIR for a circular shift right. For example, SIR R2 tends to R2 or SIL R3 tends to R3. Arithmetic shift. An arithmetic shift is meant for signed binary number. An arithmetic shift, arithmetic left shift multiply a signed number by 2. An arithmetic shift right shift divided a signed binary signed number by 2. The main distinction of an arithmetic shift is that it must keep the sign of the number the same as it performs the multiplication or division. There are two operation: a right arithmetic shift operation, this is shown in diagram; a left arithmetic shift operation, the 0 put and bit is shifted in left direction. Arithmetic shift operation. An arithmetic shift operation must be checked for the overflow. Before the shift, it must if the leftmost two bit differ, the shift will result in an overflow. In ARTL, the following notation is used: ASHL, it means for the arithmetic shift left, ASHR for the arithmetic shift right. For example, ASHR R2 tends to R2, ASHL R3 tends to R3. Register transfer language. A specific notation used to specify the digital system is called register transfer language. For any function of the computer, the register transfer language can be used to describe the micro operations. Register transfer language is symbolic language, a convenient tool for describing the internal organization of digital computer. Can also be used to facilitate the design process of digital system. Register transfer. Copy and the content of one register to another is a register transfer. A register transfer is indicated as R1 tends to R2. It means R1, the content of R1 is transferred to register R2. In this case, the content of register R2 are copied, loaded into the register R1, a simultaneously transfer of all bits from the source R1 to the destination register R2 during one clock pulse. The basic symbol for the register transfer, this is the table, symbol, description, example. Capital letters means denoted a register, MAR, memory address register, and R2. Second parenthesis denotes a part of a register R2 0 to 7 and R2 low level. Arrow denote transfer of information R1 tends to R2. Colon denote termination of control function P. Comma separate two micro operation, A tends to B, B tends to A. Bus and memory transfer. Bus is a path over which information is transferred from any of several source to any of several destination. This is the diagram. There are four registers A, B, C and D. They are connected by the bus. In second diagram, there are four registers register A, B, C, D and they are connected by the multiplexer. And there are the two selection input X and Y. There are four line bus output bus. Transfer from bus to destination register. There are four register R0, R1, R2 and R3. 2x4 decoder. There are E is enable. There are two selection line Z and W. 3 state bus buffer. Normal input A, control input C, output Y is equal to A if C is equal to 1. Then high impedance if C is equal to 0. Bus line with 3 state buffer. There are two selection input S0, S1. There are 4 tri-state buffer bus line for bit 0. Bus transfer in RTL, depending on whether the bus is to be mentioned explicitly or not. Register transfer can be indicated as either R1 tends to R2, bus tends to R2, or R1 tends to bus. If in the former case the bus is implicit, but in the latter it is explicitly indicated. Memory transfer. Collectively, the memory is viewed as the register label as a device and M. Since it contains multiple locations, we must specify which addresses in memory we will be using. This is done by indexing memory reference. Memory is usually accessed in computer system by putting the desired address in a special register, the memory address register (MAR) and or AR. When memory is accessed, the content of the MAR gets sent to the memory unit's address line. There are two operations, read and write. This is the memory unit. AR is address register, data in, data out. Thank you.